Cooking with Brandon.
Chocolate milk. I love it. If you don't, then you probably have frail bones and a weak soul. But if you're like me, you used to lie awake at night as a child and wonder about the chemistry behind chocolate milk. Well, wonder no more. For today, in this video, I am going to explain step by step all the chemistry behind chocolate milk. Plain milk. Disgusting. It's a worthless and foul beverage until enhanced with the wonder fluid that is chocolate syrup. What you want to do now is take your chocolate syrup and open it up, hold it open on top of your glass of chocolate milk, and a force known as gravity is going to drain all the syrup into the bottom of the glass and down towards the earth's core. But chocolate syrup is fairly viscous, so you may want to add a little pressure to the bottle by squeezing. And that's going to make the chocolate syrup come out faster because there's going to be more pressure inside the bottle. Chocolate syrup is denser than milk, so it sinks to the bottom of the glass, as you can see here. And if you look just right above where the chocolate syrup rests, the milk has actually changed color very slightly. And what you want to do to speed up the process is take your spoon and stir. Stirring results in a quickened dissolution of the chocolate syrup throughout the milk because it makes the chocolate syrup come into contact with more of the milk quicker. I mean, eventually your glass would turn to chocolate milk, but it would take a very long time. Stirring speeds up the process, and it's very nice. Salt. I love it. It just serves so many purposes. Preserving foods, washing spinach, removing pine feathers, bathing eyes, extending broom life, backwoods abortions, and in the case of chocolate milk, flavor enhancement. Now we're going to make some salt. I have here a pan full of seawater. What we're going to do is put this on our oven, bring it to a boil, and we'll come back here in a little bit and we'll have some salt. Alright, we come back after a long boiling period and we have our salt. Now, the salt has been separated from the seawater because the boiling point of water is far lower than the boiling point of salt. When the water evaporates, the salt will remain in solid form and will be left behind. Now I'll just take a pinch of this and we're going to sprinkle it in the glass. Salt enhances flavors because it suppresses bitterness and because it accelerates the release of some of the flavor compounds in the milk. We want it to be distributed evenly throughout our glass, so we give it a little stir. Now that we've added salt and chocolate syrup to our glass of milk, it's time for the piece de la resistance, whipped cream. Whipped cream is a result of heavy cream being whipped. And what happens when it's whipped is that the fat globules in the cream surround air molecules, and that gives it that light fluffiness. What I like to do is just add a mountain of whipped cream. And now you can enjoy. Damn good.